In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email newsletter in Mailerlite. By the end, you'll know exactly how to design a clean, on-brand newsletter and get it delivered to the right subscribers. Have your account ready, your images and copy nearby, and we'll move step by step. Start by opening your browser and searching for Mailerlite. Click the official site from the results to avoid any lookalikes. Once you're on the home page, choose Log In and enter your credentials to access your dashboard. From the dashboard, navigate to the Campaigns tab. This is where all your email sends live. Click Create Campaign to start a new one. When you're asked for the campaign type, select Regular Campaign. This is the standard format for newsletters and general updates, making it the best choice for most use cases. Next, pick how you want to build your email. The drag-and-drop editor is great if you want a visual builder with blocks. The rich text editor suits simple, text-forward messages. And the custom HTML editor is ideal if you already have coded designs or need complete control. If you're on a paid plan or trial, you can choose a pre-designed, responsive template to move faster. Templates give you a polished structure from the start. Otherwise, select a blank canvas to build your layout from scratch. Inside the editor, you'll see a sidebar with elements. Drag in headers for section titles, images for visuals, text blocks for your content, and buttons to drive clicks. Keep your layout scannable. Short paragraphs, clear headings, and one primary call to action help readers stay focused. Open global settings to set fonts and colors across the entire email to match your brand. Choose a readable font size, set consistent heading styles, and adjust link and button colors so everything feels cohesive. These settings ensure every block follows the same design rules. When you're satisfied, click Done Editing. You can still go back if you need tweaks later. Now choose who should receive the email by selecting the appropriate groups or segments from your subscriber list. Double-check the audience count to confirm you're targeting the right people. Before sending, preview your newsletter on both desktop and mobile views. Look for awkward line breaks, oversized images, or buttons that feel too small on phones. Always send a test email to yourself to verify that links work, images load, and formatting looks clean in your inbox. Finally, decide whether to send immediately or schedule for a specific date and time. Scheduling helps you hit your audience's peak engagement hours. That's it. Your newsletter is ready to go.